Okay, so today is a very, very exciting exciting day
Yes.
in the Tintenter household, isn't it, Mrs. T?
It certainly is.
It is, and why?
Because we've got a new barbecue.
We've got a new barbecue. Now, what
Not
we've got,
just a barbecue.
It's not just a barbecue. This is more like a restaurant. Okay, look. The reason, let me tell you why we've done this. We are not moving away from our Cadac Safari Chef 2 at all. That is very much a tool in our lives that we will always use, certainly when we're away camping and in the tin tent. We've got a big family. We've got 4 children that have all got partners. We've got 150,000 grandchildren. We've got other relatives. So we need something that we can use during the summer months and have the family around for barbecues and everything else. And we've made the step of going something rather large, something rather special. And you've seen my cooking videos. I can do some wonders on this one, trust me.
Yeah.
And here it
Do
is.
some real damage, can't you?
Again, it's a Cadac. This is how it's all come.
It was on a pallet, wasn't it? In a big box.
It was actually turned up in a pallet, in boxes, but we had to unpack it to get it here, to get it
Because it wouldn't go through the gate.
No, it wouldn't.
Yeah,
So
we've got a small gate.
So what we're going to do is really just go through what we've got and show you, put it together.
Yeah.
And
That lot was in one box, and then there was a couple of these little things along the side as well.
Yeah.
In another box.
and this was in another box as well.
That do you remember that was in the big box, and those were in the big box
Oh,
with
that's
them.
correct.
Yeah.
And then you've got
there's
more
loads of
boxes
inside that.
inside that as well. So lots going on there. And what I really love about this, and what I'm going to have so much fun with, is this little lumber. It's a rotisserie. Now, how fantastic is that? Because I'm going to put some chickens on here, spit roast them, do them with roast potatoes, and do a big.
I got a question for you.
Really?
Do you think you'd be able to make croissants on here without burning them? Sorry.
Well, if ever there was a challenge, that's the one. I will try to see if I can put croissants on there. There's no reason why I can't, but I did say that before.
Yeah.
Look, there it is. It's the Cadac Entertainer 4 Supreme. We've gone for the one that's got a bit of a silver finish on it. We went for a package because the package comes with the tools, the cover, the rotisserie, everything else, and we got this for a price of £437, and that's for the entire package with everything. And I got a discount because there was a discount code for the website, which was a 10% code. So I think at the moment we've got a good deal for this.
Excellent.
So we're going to start to put this together. We're going to be dropping in and out through the video, various places as we do it, and then we'll start to see what it looks like and how we get on. So let's undo some bags and boxes and we'll come back to you shortly. Right, before we actually start, I just want to show you, as far as the instructions are really, really good and comprehensive. There's pictures of everything, clear pictures. It tells you which type of screws and nuts and bolts you want.
It's also got the whole list
It's
of
got
them
the
there
whole
as well.
list of it there. But also it comes with this, which I think is brilliant. That's all your screws, all your nuts and bolts. Okay, they're all labelled, so you've got like screw G, screw C, screw A. You've got the spanners come with it.
It's not like the other flat pack companies that just sort of make you guess.
Get on with it. But just to let you know, everything is there. So at the moment, 10 out of 10 is all looking good. And we're going to now try and assemble the first part by putting the wheels on the base. So back to you shortly. Okay, so here we are. We've put the base together, 4 wheels on the base. There's 2 locking wheels on the base as well.
4 wheels on my wagon. Da, da, da.
Finished?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. 2 of the wheels are locking wheels, which is really good, so you know it's going to be secure and in place.
The wheels
We've got the base here. You can see where the gas bottle goes in. Then we've got the back, and all we need to do now is lift this little beauty onto the top here and screw this one in.
And hope and pray
Hope and pray that it all fits. So, how long would you say it's taken us so far? Hour and a half? Hour?
Well, to be honest with you, it's more working out what bit is A and which bit is B and which bit is R, and the screwing bit doesn't take 2 seconds.
No, but
Sorry.
finished?
Yes.
Okay. 94 seconds, I think, is the average.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Great. Great.
Got to cover that one. So here you go. Yeah, about an hour, hour and a half. The instructions are really good. You just got to work out, like any flat pack type item you're putting together, that you've got the right bits in the right place, etc., etc., etc. So, but yeah, so far I'm quite impressed with everything. Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Okay, we'll come back to you once we've got the lid on. And there you go. That's the lid on top of the Cadac Entertainer. So still lots more to do, but you can get an idea of how it's all coming along. You've got some gas pipes that are coming out this side.
Yeah, we had to take, it was all done up in there, so we had to take that out, pull this through.
Yeah.
I don't know quite what that hole's for.
Didn't actually tell us that in the instructions,
No,
so yeah.
Work that one out.
But yeah, so what you've got on this side of the Cadac, there's going to be, or there is, a burner. So that's obviously the gas feed to a separate burner where you can put pans and saucepans and things. Then on this side, there will be a shelf down here, coming out the side. But yeah, all's looking good, and we'll come back to you shortly when we've done some more assembly work.
Ooh.
Right, here we are. Ta-da! We have a Cadac Entertainer BBQ, fully assembled and ready to go. We're not going to cook on this, so we're not going to bore you to tears with this. So we're just going to run through it, just showing you what we've got, so you can actually see what comes with this package. Okay, first of all, you've got the dome here. You've got a heat control temperature here. So obviously if you're cooking something, you can bring that up to a temperature of an oven. So Mrs T, you've said you'd like me to see cook croissants in this?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we'll try and do that.
Yeah.
So inside, here you go. Here's your Barbie. It came with tools, so we've got some tongs. So that's really good. We've got a spatula for flipping those burgers. We've got a big fork for forking other things. And we've got a really good heavy duty barbecue brush.
Well, be
here.
careful. I wouldn't do that on
really,
there actually.
really is.
I wouldn't use that on that thermogrid.
But there again, they supply it. They say it's good, so you've got to take them. Now the thermogrid, which is brilliant, look at it. Just want to show you here the way it works. So you've got heat distribution, say on a normal barbecue, so it'd get hot in one area and cold in others. Whereas this thermogrid, all the same temperature, so when it's on, that should be all the same temperature, so you can cook in the corners, you can cook on the front, you can cook on the back, just as much as you can cook in the middle, so you really get a good cooking area there. You've obviously got a nice little place up there, so as you're cooking things, you can put meat, you can put other things up there to relax.
It says on there dishwasher safe as well.
Perfect. Well, straight out of here then, straight into the dishwasher.
Absolutely. I think I'd rather that than this. That would panic me.
Happy days.
Yeah.
It does all come to pieces very easily. Look, I'll take that out so you can see how easy that would be to pop that in the dishwasher.
Yeah.
You've got these that come out, so they would easily go in a dishwasher.
There's a drip tray in the bottom.
There's a drip tray in the bottom that accesses from behind, so you can take that out and give that a good clean as well. That is brilliant. Then what we've got, let's move those out of the way. Very nice looking, nice little side burner here. Ta-da! Look at that. That is magnificent. So you can have a pot of potatoes on there, new potatoes. You could be cooking barbecue beans. You could be boiling up some sweet corn. You could be doing anything on there, vegetables, stir fry. You know, this is a barbecue for a family. This is, you know, you can feed a family for an entire day on this, and not just a family. You can have all your friends around, all your mates around, the lot. This is the bees, it really is. So that's absolutely magnificent. As far as ignition, I've got no gas in here. It's easy on, so push it in. Everything's got a little tiny spark,
yep.
And then the gas will come through. Coming down in the base here, you can see where the gas bottle will sit. You've got a couple of little hooks there that you can hang things on. A little bit of storage space under there as well, which is really good. And then what else came with the package? Well, I think I mentioned to you earlier, the rotisserie came with the package. You can get 3 chickens on that, and we will be vlogging that very shortly. Really looking forward to doing that. And also you've got the baking stone, so this is where you can do pizzas. So I'm really looking forward to getting the grandkids round, let them make their own pizzas, cook the pizzas on the barbecue, get them involved in cooking, get them making their own food. That is absolutely brilliant. And then we've got a cover for it, so if we can just stop here, Mrs. T.
Yeah, we'll do. That's
and
the
pause.
cover. Yep.
Pause.
I will pause. There you go.
Ta-da! And there's the cover. You've got a really good heavy duty cover on that barbecue. Good old Cadac. There it is. That is the package that we bought. It's absolutely brilliant. Fabulous deal, I think.
Yeah.
Mrs. T, you think as well?
Yeah, absolutely
We're going to
brilliant.
have lots and lots of good family friend barbecue on that. But I'm going to bring you some family cooking on it as well. So look out for those videos. And there we go. It's summer. I know we're all on lockdown, but it doesn't matter. So it's absolutely fabulous because we can still go in our back gardens and do this. And then obviously when lockdown finishes, we can have the family over.
Yay!
So there you go. If you found that of interest, please give me the thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget, hit that red button, because the more you hit that red button, the more of you that subscribe, the more of things like this we can bring to you and share how to, well, enjoy the outside world. That's it from me and Mrs. T.
All right, then see you later, everybody.
Yep. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.